Hello and welcome to yet another tutorial. This one is going to be a quick one. We'll be working on a business card design. So right here on the screen I've got the setup when I'm creating a new document. So we're going to go with 90 by 50 mils. I need 2 artboards and I'm going to set up the bleed here 3 millimeters on each side. Okay, there we go. Right, I'm just going to set them apart a bit, just like that. So what I've done is I have some assets that I have right here. Okay, I have got this, just the background. I've got the logo, I've got the services, and this abstract that I created. These ones I had already typed the details for the card. And if you guys are interested in knowing how I created these assets, you can let me know so that I can create another tutorial on that one. So I'm going to start with this one. I just need the details. Right now I am working on the front of the card, so I'm just going to grab these, drag them to my new workspace. Okay, yeah. So what I intend to do is to have this abstract on top, right? And then the details I intend to have them on the bottom part. Okay, right. So let me just walk you through what I did here. This is the name of the person, what they do, and the contact details. Okay, right. So I'm just going to drag these up, put them here. Okay. If you notice, I am avoiding putting my text close to the edge, okay, because this is where the final print is going to come out like this, and this is the bleed area whereby they'll cut off that part. So grab this, just going to grab my eyedropper tool, where you just press I, it's a shortcut, click there. I've got this color here, okay. Just going to color these two the same. I will change the color though. Okay, here we are. Now let me go back and grab this logo. Okay, let me just take that. Now what I'm doing is I'm just following the colors for the company, right? We've got this orange, we've got gray, we've got black. Okay, so black I can work with different shades. Let's see, 90%, I think it's fine. Yeah. Designer, this one I want to make it orange, so I can just either take my eyedropper, pick it up from my abstract, yeah, just like that. Okay, this one I'll make it the same color, 90% black. There we go, we're good. Okay, now I just want to have a dividing line here, just a thin line. Grab my pen tool, swap the filling stroke, then I just gonna go straight line, hit escape. There, I want to make it thin. Let's see, 0.5. Yeah, that looks okay. Color, let's see, this was 60% black, it's fine. Okay, and I'm going to round off the edges. If I zoom in here, you can see that it's square. I want to make it round. So if I come to the stroke here, click the menu, round curve, just like that. Small details. Move this to, okay. Let me just try and center this a bit, just like that. Okay, I'm happy about this. The reason why I didn't mention whether this is a cell phone, the address, the email, and the website it's all like it's pretty obvious. So I'm not going to waste space mentioning that this is a mobile number, this is what. Okay. Also, I need to give a different color to the website. I'm going to pick up this same color here. There we go. Right, the front, I think I'm almost done. I just need to center this area here. to the artboard. So select that, hit Ctrl G to group, and then just come to align here. I just want to make sure that it says align to artboard, and then horizontally align it to the center. Now I'm done. That's the front. I'm happy about it. I want it to be clean, and I just want it to, when someone picks up the card, they can quickly pick up the details and they know who they're dealing with, right? Now the back of the card is where I'm going to put the name of the company and what the company does. Okay, right. So let me go back to this document here, pick up my background, put it right there. Okay, now let me just make sure that it's what I'm doing here now is I am going to use this bleed area here. It's marked with this red guideline. Yeah. So I'll make sure that my artwork, it bleeds, because it's going to cut here, because I need the artwork to flush with the edge of the card. Okay, so this is fine. Yeah. Oh, by the way, I can also just crop this image. Let me just come to crop, move this. Yeah, this side is fine, this side is okay, top is fine, apply. Okay, just to make it clean. All right, now I grab my logo, put it in the center. Okay, let me send this to the back. There we do. Okay, grab my services, put them here, select everything, then center it, just like that. Okay, so now we've got the back of the business card. It is the logo, right, and what the company does. Okay, now if you're facing a situation whereby you're facing contrast issues here, like you can see here, okay, so many ways I can do it. One is, let me create an object like a box here. All right, there's the box. Let me give it something like orange, close company colors, right? Highlight these two, send them back, right? Select my orange box and go to opacity, change the blend mode to multiply, see if it's okay. Right, now I can adjust how dark I want this background to be, because I need this to be clear, if I may say. Right, I double click here to get the color picker window, and let's see, make it a bit darker. Click OK. Right, if I zoom out, that looks fine, but it's too dark. So let me lighten it up, just like that. It again. Yeah, that looks fine to me. Okay, so now we have our business card is ready. Okay, it's simple, clean, and from my point of view, it is nice. So thank you so much for watching. If you've got any questions about how I came up to design some of these elements, you can let me know, and yeah, catch you guys in the next one.